show you what I did so you can see the process, but once I show you, then I'll tell you. Good morning, guys. I hope you're all doing good. So today we are started the day by going to the dentist, and I was treatment.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna show you once everything goes on. So
we're gonna get those teeth straight.
Let's go. I'm back in Dr. Mama's clinic. Hey.
Hello, guys.
So we have great news. Today my set has arrived, and we're gonna be starting my Invisalign. You're gonna see a new smile, and I need to get used to the talking.
Yeah, so please just bear with her talking for the first 2 days until she gets used to it.
Yeah, I think I'm good. I'm going good. So, oh my God, guys, look! I have it. It's finally here.
We got them in.
Oh my God, I'm so excited, guys. So it should be good. But
yes.
Thank you so much. Let's
You're
do this.
welcome.
All right, I'm gonna go home now. Goodness, guys, look. It's here. I'm excited. Okay, so I have my Invisalign, and this is exciting, guys. My dream smile is about to come. Sorry, I sound a little bit weird, but it's gonna take time for me to get used to it. So, okay, guys, let's go. Eat, and then I'm actually decided to go out, and I really need to do some shopping. So I'm struggling with S's. So let's see, guys. I'm excited. I always wanted to fix my lower teeth, especially like this whole process is what I did. I have Invisalign, if you guys can see. Yeah, so this is my new thing. It's gonna be there for a couple of months, and I was told the lisp is gonna disappear after a few days. So it's gonna fix both upper and lower together, because you have to align the teeth together, but especially this. So we're gonna have super straight in the bottom, and then the rest is just gonna like fit in nicely. So yeah, I'm excited. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have some lunch. Gonna quickly change. We're gonna some vegetables, and then we have some rice over here like that, and there is some chicken in here, as you can see. This is what it looks like, and more vegetables. So I'm gonna quickly put it on the plate, and here you come. So we have to roast it outside. So, by the way, it feels really cold nowadays. So yeah, so I just removed the Invisalign, guys, and about to have some lunch. I wanted to show you what's cooking. So we have, anyways, I want to show you that I removed them, if you can see it. So it looks like. So I'm gonna quickly eat, because apparently I'm supposed to wear it 22 hours a day. So let's go. Okay, and we have a special guest here, guys. Follow me, Mommy Mo! Can I join you?
Yes, come.
Okay, guys. I'm gonna fall down. You sure this is safe?
No, I don't know.
Where did you buy this from?
I bought idea.
So come close. So Mommy Mo is working on her video.
Yes.
What's your video about?
Cooking, guys. Always cook. 195 dirham in sales.
For real?
Yes.
It's only 100 dirhams?
Yes. Yeah, I swear.
I don't know, but
There is reason for sale, guys.
okay, well, I hope so what are you doing here? You're just chilling?
Yes. Thinking about my video. God, there is sale.
But believe we might fall down, guys.
It's sale, you know.
Oh, it's very cheap to
Yeah, that's why I told you be careful, you know.
Okay,
New idea, guys. Yeah. If you have any idea, guys, please send me message or send Lana message. She's gonna show.
send Mommy. Okay, so are you gonna get started on your video?
Yes, because I want to think about it. What video idea?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Message me in my email. I can read it. Thank you, guys.
Yes, guys. Okay.
Have now. It's so difficult for me now because it just has to keep up with the TikTok
new ideas.
video or
like lazy day, but it's okay. This is normal. Remember, we're gonna have like some low days, some high days, okay? Hey Lolos, I hope you're all doing good. I missed you all, and I just want to say your girl has been a little bit tired today, and you know, I'm gonna change into something cute. Then I'm gonna become a chef, and then we're gonna go downstairs and I'll cook up something and show you guys the process. Please don't tell me you guys put it in the freezer.
Yes.
No. Are you serious?
No. Where is the burger?
Oh. And I'm about to make a nice juicy burger. We bought the burgers, so let me show you guys. Where are the burgers? Let me grab some of the ingredients that we need. The first ingredient. Okay, guys. So we need some onions. Let me get the tissue.
Oh.
I forget the onions. I'm gonna start cooking the meat now. Let's go to the meat.
Okay. Yeah.
So, do I have to wash this or?
No.
Okay, so we need some tissues, guys. We're gonna chop up some onions.
Where is it cut?
Oh no.
Please. I never see this chopping board or the tissue. Seriously?
Because it's.
Very nice. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Again, you put it with. Stop putting tissue. Board.
This is the bowl.
Lana, don't be lazy. Oh my God. Where is your? Can someone give it to her?
Plastic.
Yes.
Okay, like that. Last time I cooked the plastic with it, it was so funny. So we just put it there.
Where is it? Oh, go supermarket buy.
For real?
Go buy.
So we put some oil. Okay. This one. A little bit.
Very good. No.
You sure?
No.
Okay, so here we go. We're gonna grab one burger. I think there's plastic on it, so you have to remove olive oil because it's the most healthiest oil, guys.
A little bit, not yet.
A little bit.
Unhealthy.
Wait.
Where
the
is
oil?
it?
Okay, let's grab a pan, guys. Here we go. Okay. I think I just need this, to be honest.
Yes.
Right? Because it's just one. Do you want some? So like this. There. I don't know why it's so hard. This is the onion.
Very nice. Well done.
And then we need cheese. We don't have burger bread, guys, so we're gonna have onion.
Yes, we have one. After?
I'm gonna wash it. One
Oh.
second, hold on. So let's wash it here. Plate. I think it's nice to cut it round so you can put it in the burger. Wait, I should cut it here. Okay. And then we go to cut it on the floor.
Yeah.
Okay, so here. Yeah, looking good. And what else? I need what is it? Tomatoes.
Tomato.
Okay. And it looks like it's cooking, guys.
Let's see.
Let's see. We're gonna have to improvise. Use this bit.
Very nice.
And cheese.
Okay. Very
The
nice.
minerals, the vitamins, everything in the system.
Very nice.
So let's wash this one. And we're gonna put it. Someone cooking something? Is this yours?
Erma.
Emma? Okay. So tomato. So we have a tomato. Let's get. Oh, and by by the way, look, it's my fruit platter. I'm gonna have this straight after dinner because you know.
I think enough. How much mayonnaise you have?
Okay.
Oh my god.
Alright, so here. I have half and half. So I
Then you cook this one and then put it in the top.
And then the other thing we need is
Mayonnaise,
mayonnaise.
ketchup. Okay.
It's empty.
Construction company.
It's empty. And yeah. So we're gonna put some of it here.
Oh my god.
No, because it's
Okay, everything finished in this house. Oh,
no,
but
look at it. It's not full.
okay,
There's nothing.
okay, enough.
Miss.
Here. I have half and half. So I take well, I basically mix it like this. So like this. So it's like my dip.
Yeah.
Okay. So you see, it's a dip. It's not to melt.
What is the milk?
Wait,
Why you take the milk? What's it about?
milk. You know, I really like when I have.
Again?
It's
Lana?
It's not enough.
Stop.
Okay. See, it's so nice. This is like the sauce, you know. So this is done, and of course the finale. Who can say shake? Who doesn't have milkshake with a burger?
No.
We find the biggest glass for this. I always go for the biggest glass. If you ever want to taste the world's best chocolate milk, shake.
Okay.
Because this is the yummiest thing you're missing
Really?
out on.
Okay.
Look, so good, guys, so good. We're always ready to fight. We will make sure it's always there. Look at this. Chocolate milk. I have backup ready. You think I don't have backup prepared? You think that we come unprepared? Think again. The finale, guys. You need to take the cheese and put it on top of the burger, just like that. Okay? This will melt right into it. So we're gonna take the burger and put it here and leave it there. Okay?
Oil also. Lana?
Yes, let's make this ready for you guys. You see, I would legitimately, I'd be an amazing wife.
What time is it?
That's how we get juicy.
No.
Okay, never mind. Alright, so what else?
Lana told me after 8, don't eat anything. What time is it, Lana? Tell me true.
It was 8. It was.
18.
Okay, so I'm a night owl.
Yes.
Okay, so Mommy, did you know this technique that you have to pour the milk whilst you're stirring it? Like this. Ooh. Oh, I was getting my food. Okay, that's it, guys. The food's ready. We're gonna go and sit down and eat. So, we're outside, guys. I decided to come and eat outside because my mom was going to exercise.
Somebody out there.
Oh, you're gonna fall down. You're gonna fall down. Hi. What are you doing up there? You. I know you. She's a cloud.
Oh.
Clouds are high up in the sky.
Sit and eat.
Just a cloud. So we're gonna eat, guys. Take off my Invisalign. So. Oh God. That's why I don't want to eat everything like throughout the day, because I have to keep taking it out. And I have a little case for it, guys. Look. All my stuff in my case. And this one's the hardest. I cannot get this out. I cannot get it. I need to take. There. This is it, guys. So once I eat, I have to eat quickly because I only have a 2-hour limit throughout the whole day.
Okay.
We're gonna eat, guys.